Purchased this unit for my son's bedroom. It arrived today, and I didn't see any visible signs of damage to the packaging or to the unit, but there's a problem. The unit does not power on properly. It makes a beeping sound when you plug it in, but then nothing else happens. Here, I'll demonstrate. As you can see, the display doesn't light up. You can't turn the power buttons on. Also, the remote, which I put batteries in, doesn't work. Also, Wi-Fi is not sending any signal. The head unit is essentially dead. There's no control to this, so we have to send it back at great expense. Also, I canceled an order for another identical unit for my bedroom, but, you know, I can't trust this brand. DR.PREPARE or DR.PREPARE or however it's pronounced. This thing is hot garbage. Don't trust it. Don't buy anything from them. Please, do yourself a favor and avoid this brand. Thank you.